Elasmobranchs have subtle gills, right? 5 to 7 gill pouches are there. These are the cavities. Pouches are the cavities in which this is a one pouch in which the gills are present. If 7 gills are present, it means 7 pouches are there, and the gills are open to pharynx. You know that. Septa support the gill filaments. This is the septal gills in which a septa is supporting the gill filaments, right? What is filament? This one single finger like projection is filament. This one is filament. So this one is filament, 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 and filament, right? So that lateral finger like projections of a gill are called as filaments. In case of sharks, the filaments on both sides are separated by a septum. The pink one is the septum, while the sky blue, this one is the blood supply, this one is the blood supply, while the pink area is septum, and that is extending the gill. गिल फिलामेंट से बाहर को निकला हुआ है, ठीक है. This is in case of sharks. That's why we say that gills are completely separated by septum in case of sharks, while you can see that in holocephalans or the rat fishes that are also cartilaginous fishes, septum is still here, and then finger like projections are free at the margins. You can see here, right? Over here the septum is extending the filaments, while over here the filaments are extending the septum, right? In case of teleost or the modern bony fishes, there is no septum, right? And the gill filaments are free demibranches. They are free from the very start, right, where they are attached to the gills, and the gill filaments are finger like projections are free from the very start. Clear? This is another diagram showing you that how the gills are septate or partially septate or non-septate in case of different fishes. In elasmobranchs, you can say that this is the septum, and septum is extending what? It is extending gill filaments, right? While septum is partial till here, and the gill filaments are extending the septum in case of chimeras or the rat fishes that are also the cousins of elasmobranchs, and septum is absent in case of the teleost fishes. So the gill filaments are free from the very attachment, and they increase the surface area. This septum in case of elasmobranchs make more water flow. This one septum make more water flow through the gills in elasmobranchs, and that is a plus point for these organisms.